Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change font size on Twitter. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change font size on Twitter, go to your browser and browse x.com. On left pane, click on more option. Then click on settings and privacy. Under settings, you will find accessibility, display and languages. Click on it and then click on display. Here you will find font size. Now the default font size is selected. You can reduce font size small, or you can reduce to extra small, or if you want you can make it large or extra large. This is the easiest way to change font size on Twitter. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.